doing great. Welcome back to our channel Agla Same Schools. Today we will be covering chapter 13, that is surface area and volumes. So starting with the first exercise, that is 13.1, our first question says a plastic box that is 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. It is to be open at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, we have to determine the area of the sheet required for making box. So the answer is length, which is given to us, that is 1.5 meter, breadth, which is given to us, that is 1.25 meter, height, which is given in centimeters, we have to convert it into meters, which means 0.65 meter. Surface area of box is LB plus 2 into BH plus HL. So applying the values, we will get surface area of box equals to 5.45 meters square. So 5.45 meters square of sheet is required. Moving to our second part, which says the cost of the sheet for it. If a sheet measuring 1 meter square costs rupees 20. So the answer is cost of 1 meter square of sheet, which is 20, given to us. Then the cost of 5.45 meter square of sheet will be, we have to multiply this by 20. So the answer will be rupees 109. Moving to our second question, which says the length, breadth and the height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter. We have to find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling at the rate of rupees 7.50 per meter square. So the answer is length, which is given to us, that is 5 meter, breadth 4 meter and height 3 meter. So the surface area of wall of the room and the ceiling will be 2h bracket L plus B bracket close plus LB. By applying the values, we will get as surface area, that is 74 meters square. Moving further, the cost of whitewashing, that is rupees 7.50 per meter square is given. So the total cost of whitewashing the wall and the ceiling of the room will be 74 rupees multiplied by 7.50. So the answer will be rupees 555. Moving to our third question, which says the floor of a rectangular hole has a perimeter 250 meter. If the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000, find the height of the hole. So the answer is perimeter of the floor of hole, that is 2 into L plus B, which is 250 meter. And the area of 4 walls will be 2h bracket L plus B, first equation. And the area of 4 walls, that is 15,000 divided by 10 meters square, which will give you 1500 meters square. That is our second equation. Now from both the equations, we will have 2h bracket L plus B bracket close equals to 1500. From this we will get height, that is 6. Moving to our fourth question, which says the paint in the certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meters square. How many bricks of dimensions 22.5 cm into 10 cm into 7.5 cm can be painted out of the container? So the answer is length, that is 22.5 cm, breadth, that is 10 cm, height, that is 7.5 cm given to us. So the total surface area of one brick, we can find it by applying the formula, that is 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL. So by applying the values, we will get 937.5 divided by 100 into 100 meters square, which will give you 0.09375 meters square. So the required number of bricks, that is equals to 9.375 divided by 0.09375, which will give you 100. Moving to our fifth question, which says a cubical box has each edge 10 cm and another cuboidal box is 12.5 cm long, 10 cm wide and 8 cm high. So the first part says which box has the greatest lateral surface area and by how much? So the answer is lateral surface area of cuboidal box, that is 4a square. So by applying 4 into 10 power 2 centimeter square will give you 400 centimeter square. And lateral surface area of cuboidal box, that is 2h bracket L plus B, bracket close. So by applying the value, you will get 2 into 8 bracket 12.5 plus 10 bracket close centimeter square, which will give you 360 centimeter square. Moving further, the difference in the lateral surface area of two boxes are 400 minus 360, which will give you 40 centimeter square. Moving to a second part, which says which box has the smaller total surface and by how much. So the answer is total surface area of cuboidal box, that is 6a square. It means 6 into 10 power 2 centimeter square. That is 600 centimeter square. So the total surface area of cuboidal box, that is 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL. So by applying this value, we will get 610 centimeter square. Further solving the difference in the total surface area of two boxes, that is 610 minus 600, which will give you 10 centimeter square. Hence the cubical box has a smaller total surface area, that is by 10 centimeter square. Moving to our sixth question, which says a smaller indoor greenhouse is made entirely by glass panes held together with tape. It is 30 centimeter long, 25 centimeter wide and 25 centimeter high. So first part says what is the area of the glass. So length is given, breadth is given, height is given to us. So we can find total surface area, that is 2 into LB plus BS plus HL. By applying the values, we will get 4250 centimeter square. So the area of glass is 4250 centimeter square. Moving to our second part, which says a cuboid has 12 edges. These consist of 4 lengths, 4 breadths and 4 heights. So the answer is length of the tape, that is equals to 4L plus 4B plus 4H, which means 4 into 30 plus 4 into 25 plus 4 into 25 centimeter, that will give you 320 centimeter. Moving further to our seventh question, which says Shanti Sweet Stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. 2 sides of box were required. The bigger dimensions are 25 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and the smaller of dimensions are 15 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Further, for all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. If the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4 for 1000 centimeter square, so we have to find the cost of the cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes for each kind. So answer is, first of all, we can find the bigger box, that is length 25 centimeter, breadth 20 centimeter, height 5 centimeter. All this is given to us. So total surface area of one bigger box, we can find it as 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So applying these values, we will get 1450 centimeter square. Further, area of cardboard required, that is equals to 5% of 1450 centimeter square. So 1450 into 5 divided by 100 centimeter square will give you 72.5 centimeter square. So total area of cardboard needed for one bigger box is 1450 plus 72.5 centimeter square, which will give you 1522.5 centimeter square. So total area of cardboard needed for 250 bigger boxes 1522.5 into 250 centimeter square, which will give you 380.625 centimeter square. Now we have to find for the smaller box, the length is given to us, that is 15 centimeter, breadth is given, that is 12 centimeter, height is given, that is 5 centimeter. So total area surface of one smaller box, we can find it by applying this formula, that is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. By applying the values, we will get 630 centimeter square. So for the area of cardboard required, that is 5% of 630 centimeter square, which will give you 31.5 centimeter square. So now total area of cardboard needed for one smaller box, that is adding both the values, which will give you 661.5 centimeter square, and the total area of cardboard needed for 250 smaller boxes will be 165.375 centimeter square. Now total area of boxes needed for 500 boxes will be 380,625 plus 165375 centimeter square will give you 546,000 centimeter square. Now the cost of 1000 centimeter square of cardboard which is given to us, that is 4 rupees. So we can find it the cost of 546,000 centimeter square of cardboard will be 4 divided by 1000 into 546,000. So our answer will be rupees 2184. Moving to our 8th question, which says, Praveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box-like structure with trampoline that covers all the 4 sides and the top of the car, assuming that the stitches margins are very small and therefore negligible. How much it will be required to make a shelter of height 2.5 meter with base dimension 4 meter and 3 meter. So length given to us, that is 4 meter, breadth given to us, that is 3 meter, and height given to us, that is 2.5 meter. So the needed of the car for 4 faces only surface area of shelter will be LB plus 2 BH plus HL, that will give you 47 centimeter square. So there is 47 centimeter square of trampoline is required to make a shelter. So guys, this is all from this exercise. If you have any query or any doubt related to any of the question, please put your query in the comment section below. For regular updates and information, please subscribe to our channel Agla Same Schools. We wish you a safe life and do take care of yourself.